Monitor temperature and humidity value from your website. Internet of Things concept by Bayulan. Today I am going to show you how to plot DHT11's reading temperature and humidity values to put graph produced on your website. If you have got wireless modem, I mean Wi-Fi hotspot point anyway, which allows you to connect internet wireless. I'm using ESP8266 ESP01 module to connect wireless internet. To program ESP, I am using Arduino Uno board with DHT11 sensor. Subtitle: How to plot temperature and humidity value in Internet of Things concept. Are you curious about your temperature and humidity value in home? Let's make this interactable. The need list. First, Arduino Uno with USB cable, USB Type B male pin to Type A male pin cable, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, tiny breadboard, tiny cables for breadboard, ESP8266 ESP01 module, your computer. Use technologies. Thinkspec.com to get data from ESP8266. Your website's FTP option. File transfer protocol. Learn how to open a website today on my early instructable. Arduino IDE and its serial monitor. Step 1. Hardware setup. Between Arduino Uno and DHT11, use tiny breadboard as helper and use tiny breadboard cables to make connections as DHT VCC 5 volts Arduino, DHT data pin 2 of digital side Arduino, DHT pin 3 leave blank or and empty, DHT GND Arduino. Between Arduino and ESP8266, make connections as ESP8266 TX pin 10 of digital side Arduino, ESP's CH-PD 3.3 volt Arduino, ESP reset 3.3 volt Arduino, ESP's VCC 3.3 volt Arduino, ESP's GND Arduino, ESP GPIO2 leave blank or empty, ESP's GPIO0 leave blank or empty, ESP's 8266 RX pin 11 of digital side Arduino. Step 2. Software setup. I attached modified Arduino IDE codes on here. You need to change three things in there. Const string Wi-Fi ID, change here with your Wi-Fi SSID, and change here with your Wi-Fi password. Stack equals post update HTTP 1.0 blah blah. Change here. This code is from the book written by Hasbi Sevinch. Very special thanks to him to write a good book. Get the book today from the KXN. There are a lot of projects in. On this instruct table, I only modified with usage of DHT11 and Thinkspec. Step 3. Test your ESP8266 module optional. Before you upload code to Arduino Uno, connect ESP8266 module as mentioned on Arduino IDE with step 2 connections. We need to test ESP8266. First, make connections. Second, open Arduino IDE. Third, tools port, select Arduino Uno's COM port. Fourth, open serial terminal. Fifth, send these codes. This code is for enable ESP8266 to connect internet. This code is for connecting ESPs with SSID and password. This code is for ping to a website if we really do the true connection test. This code is ping's byte definition. This is final code for ping. Note: watch serial monitors response on each code entering. Step 4. Thinkspec settings. Thinkspec is used for holding and plotting graphics from your data, so you can monitorize and get what the value is over the air, means OTA. First, go to https://thinkspec.com and sign up with the new account if you haven't got. Second, channels, my channels, new channel, field name and description. Field 1 is temperature, field 2 is humidity. Select make public. Save channel. Third, go to API keys, write API keys in your needed API key, copy it, paste to your Arduino code on Arduino IDE. Go to public view. There are two graphics you see. On each graphics on the top right side, click on the first icon to get iframe on each graphic. Copy these both to iframe from two graphics and paste them to your website HTML page inside. If you haven't got a website yet, you can use in-house method to test this. On your desktop, right click on your desktop, create a new notepad, write an HTML code basically, check the picture is attached. Save and modify the file extension as index.html. Open this file with your default browser. Step 5 to sum up. I test this instruct table on my website. In my early instruct tables, I told you how to get data from DHT11's temperature to your website. We did this in Xyle way. On here, we did ThinkPad way. ThinkPad is user friendly. Also, Xyle is Xyle it is, but Xyle is a bit hard interfaces. ThinkPad also let you use iframe HTML tags. Xyble lets you JSON file. Now, if you are just visiting my instruct table, visit my website to see what's going on my home about temperature and humidity. This is intent of things concept because I'm taking temperature and humidity value from my home to anywhere that I can follow. That's all.